Hello, today we will guide you through how to get your Lovable site to rank on Google. In this walkthrough, we'll keep things simple and practical as we use Lovable to generate a website idea with Google ranking in mind. The goal here is to start with a clear prompt, so the site is built around content and structure that can support search visibility from the beginning. First, open Lovable and go to the dashboard or home screen. This is where you'll begin creating your site. If you're already signed in, you should land directly on the main workspace. Take a moment to make sure you're on the correct page and ready to start a new project. Having everything set up before you enter your request makes the process smoother. Once you're on the home screen, click into the main prompt area and enter or paste a sample prompt about a website that is intended to rank on Google. This part is important because the prompt helps shape the direction of the website. Try to be clear about the type of site you want, the topic it should focus on, and the fact that you want it structured in a way that supports search engine visibility. A well-written prompt gives the tool better context, which can lead to a more useful starting point for your website. As you type or paste the prompt, it helps to keep your wording focused and specific. Clear intent usually produces better results than something vague or overly broad. If you already prepared your sample prompt in advance, simply paste it in and review it once before moving on. That quick check can help you catch missing details or unclear wording. After your prompt is ready, go ahead and click Build. This tells Lovable to begin generating the website based on the instructions you provided. Depending on the complexity of the prompt, it may take a moment for the site to process and appear. Once the build starts, give it a little time to complete without interrupting it. That's the core process. Open Lovable, enter a prompt for a website designed to rank on Google, and click Build to generate it. Starting with the right prompt is a strong first step because it influences the content direction, structure, and overall relevance of the site. With that foundation in place, you'll be in a better position to create a site that is aligned with search-friendly goals from the very beginning.